Hi guys, Heike here from Mobile Bomber. It's about 10:45 p.m. on Thursday. So yeah, I'm burning the midnight oil, and I'm planning on doing two projects today. So I already pre-mixed the colors, but the first one I'm going to do, I'm not going to use any silicone. So I'm not going to use any, but I'm going to use it on my second project, which I'm probably going to record later on too. So I've been wanting to try, you know, the blowing kind of Dutch pour or whatever you want to call it, you know, with the straw. I got these little spoony straws here. Let's see, maybe that works. I don't want to use the blow dryer. So I've been kind of wanting to do this. So let's see what's going to happen. All right, I'm just going to start, you know, maybe putting a little bit of white on everything, right? So just kind of spread out some white a little bit. And that's kind of just put this out. So to give just to get some up in the corner, and I'm going to do some more once I have the color on there. So just to give it a little bit of coverage. And we'll grab a tissue here. Okay, real quick, it doesn't work when you want to do it, right? So I'm going to leave that white bottle here, and I'm going to talk about the colors that I'm using while I'm using them, just to cut a little bit of time out. And all the colors, I mixed them about 50 grams and 100 grams of Floetrol. So 2 to 1. 2 Floetrol, 1 paint. And with the first one, I'm going to start just to put that on there. A little drop of blue. That's actually a blue purple. And I made this myself. That's an Artist Loft color, okay? And it's one of their bright reds and the cobalt blue. And I have some gold here. Let me do that. I don't know what's going to happen here. So this is actually also, this is on a 8x8 canvas. The Artist Loft gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas. It's an 8x8. I figured I'm going to use a smaller one to try this out. I've done something similar about a year or so ago, but not necessarily something that would you call a Dutch pour or so. But like I said, I'm not going to use a blow dryer. I'm just going to make it my own pour. I make it Heike's pour. But who cares? And then I'm going to put some morning blue from Anita's on there, just on top of that. Damn it, this. So I have no clue, once again, what I'm doing. This is the first time. And then I think I want to do some, this is another Island Blue. That's what it's called. I haven't used that one before. So I'm going to try layer those blues a little bit. So the ratio of 2 to 1, I'm going to use that later on too. I will go over it again with a new video of what I've done. And whatever. These are big blobs, aren't they? They always look in those videos much, much smaller. But that's okay. You're going to hear me say this a lot. This is okay. I am okay with this. Whatever it's going to happen, it's going to happen. So, all right, here we go. And should we do another blue or another gold? Maybe another purple? Just a little drop of that. I'm so tempted to use some other colors that I've been really attracted to in my last couple of days projects. You may have seen them already. Those are the ones that remind me of Gucci or Versace but just really pretty colors. But anyway, so I'm gonna just probably just gonna do a little bit more here because I need something to blow out, and I need to have more layers to go that with, right? So plenty of white, isn't that what it is? I hope I have enough colors on there. Should I just do a little bit more gold just for giggles? Yeah? Okay, I love gold. So why not, huh? Okay. All right, do we have rings and stuff? It's already coming down here on this side. So I'm gonna just use this little piece here to catch some of this stuff. Sometimes you can use that clean one. Anyway, so sorry, I'm mumbling a little bit. It's nighttime. I seem to be talking a little bit more quietly during the night. But anyway, so we're just gonna do a big old blow, right? Oh no, this didn't work out, so I have to turn that around, huh? Yeah. Goes all over the place. All right, it's pretty colors though. Now, I have worked with a blow dry before, even before I knew it was called the Dutch pour, but I've always found that the straw works really well too. If your lungs are healthy, you should be able to do that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do, look how there's actually cells forming on their own. It's kind of pretty, isn't it? Let's see if I can get this. There we go. I hope I'm leaving this a little bit in your view here. And oops, let's see. Okay, I think I have enough white and stuff on there. Some of that gold is coming out, which is nice. Here we go. Get a little bit more of this. That's actually very pretty. So let's see. Got a little bit here. What do I want to do here? This is nice, little formation here. Doesn't have to be all even. A little bit more gold out. This purple streak is really beautiful. How about something in there? And then this one is actually very pretty. Yeah. This is fun. This is fun. Okay, here we go. Oops. Okay, I want to knock these kind of colors over for the next one. So let me see. I think we did good here. Since this has a little bit more. A bit white now in there. So oh yeah, bring a little bit of that purple in here. A little bit of that gold out. Let me see what I can do back here. This is beautiful. There we go. I think I'm going to leave this. This is very pretty. Oops. I'm afraid I'm going to knock this over. So I got a lot of paint over here just going. So lots of paint over here. So I can run a little bit bit over here. Okay, just to kind of finish this off a little. There's a little bit of something here in the corners. This is very pretty, I think. So, you know, I don't think I'm going to mess around with it too much. Just give it a time to finish off. And then I'm going to get ready to move on to the next one, which I think I'm going to do a, I don't know, should I sweep? I don't know yet, so with me, you will always find out last minute. Even when I have a plan, I usually deviate away from it. So anyway, so yeah, it's done. This is not too bad, I think. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Let me take it over a little bit more to the camera side. Here we go. I don't want to have the paint dripping into the cups, but I think it came out actually very pretty. There you go. So, for the first time, I think this is not bad. But what I need to do real quick though, and because I'm noticing I'm having little bubbles here, like there. So, ooh, it's falling apart. Bam, bam. It's kind of dripping a little bit more than I wanted it to, but that's okay. Look, it creates now a cute little sound. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, it's running a little bit than I wanted it to, but that's okay. The little sprinkles of colonies, it brings out some of the underlying colors. So it's not really a flower because I think my acrylics are a little bit too thin, which is all good. You hear me say it, it's all good, it's all fine. There's no wrong way. Okay, all right guys, I think that's it. Let me hold it up for you one more time. There you go. It is dripping and it's coming down. Okay, here we go. All right. Beautiful colors, nonetheless. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun with colors and I'll see you later. Bye.